Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Long time no see, quite a lot has happened, but let's get into today's video. So, me and Hitesh have recently become Disneyland Paris annual pass holders and I'm so excited. I never thought that I'd be an annual pass holder, considering the first time we went to Disneyland was only last year in September. I have a series of our first time on my channel if you want to go back and watch those, but we loved it so much we just thought it works out better if we're annual pass members. Even if we only go 2 times a year, it kind of works out cheaper than buying the tickets every time. So that's what we've done. We're bronze members, so we have 170 days out of the year to go to the parks. We have a few days off in March and we are gonna go. So in today's video we're gonna see if we can get there with just a backpack. So last time we went on the Eurostar. We're from the Peak District up north. We drove down to London and it was seamless, it was easy. The changeover in Lille on the way home was a nightmare. It was extremely busy, there was no seats. We were stood up with screaming children everywhere for the whole journey home. So we thought, let's just try flying this time because we're close to Manchester Airport and it's only an hour and a half flight. And I think last time we did it because the drive down was kind of similar to the time we would have to get to the airport by. And I'm not a big flyer, so that's why we kind of thought we'll do the Eurostar to see if it's easy. I think if it was still direct, it would probably be our chosen mode of transport, but just that change and then driving down and then driving back home, it was a lot. So I'm gonna see how we got on with flying this time. We've got a flight direct from Manchester to Charles de Gaulle, and then apparently you can get the train, but it's only 10 minutes from Charles de Gaulle to the Disneyland park, which is, I think, the same train that you change from the Eurostar. You get on that same train, but we're only on it for 10 minutes, not like an hour. So we're gonna give that a go and see how we get on. Hopefully it works out well because it would just be easier for us to get to Manchester and back. We've got some really cheap flights because we're only taking a backpack each. So we're going for 3 days. I'm pretty sure we can do it. I've planned out all my outfits, so I'm gonna pack it now. I'm gonna show you how I'm packing it, what I'm packing, and I've also filmed some little snippets of the outfits that I'm packing in case you want any inspo. I mean, they're nothing special. I wouldn't say I'm overly Disneyfied with my outfits. I'm not an ears wearer. Maybe I'll get into that, I don't know, but I feel silly. Other people pull them off, I don't think I can pull them off. So there's a couple of Disney items, but there's nothing crazy. Let's get to it. So I think this is the best angle where I can show you what I'm packing. This is the backpack that I'm taking. It's Enzo some, but I got it on Amazon and I think they're about £20. They have got some clips on the side which condense the backpack, and they are the exact sizes that EasyJet small cabin bags should be, and I will put the dimensions on the screen now. Back opens like a normal backpack. Front opens like a little suitcase. Like so. There's a spot for all the clothes. And in this side there is a zip for liquids and everything like that. Just here. And to keep everything together, I tend to use packing cubes. You can get them on Amazon, they come in all different sizes. There's big ones, small ones. This one I tend to usually use for underwear and things like that. And then this one will be for the clothes. First things first, pyjamas. Let's add those in. And then the first outfit I will show you is a t-shirt with leggings, which I'm currently wearing, so they'll go in the wash and then I'll add them in after. But I thought I need a t-shirt in case it is warm. It's looking to be sunny on a few of the days and I don't want to get too warm on a ride or something, so I've got a few t-shirts to put under things. Then I have my Ursula t-shirt, which I wore on my last trip, but I really like it and it's nice and baggy and long. You say which like it's a bad thing. This was just off, I think it was Boohoo. So I will wear that with leggings and I will take a couple of pair of leggings. And then the third t-shirt I've got, we are going for 3 days, is just the Club Tropicana one from Primark. So they're quite thick and long t-shirts. To go with the Club Tropicana, I'm going to take my green jumper, which is from TikTok shop. Everybody and their mother has these jumpers, but they are just so handy, especially if it is cold. We are hoping it's going to be about 11 to 14 degrees Celsius. And then I am also going to take a pair of jeans in case it is freezing for leggings. I might wear these on the plane, I'm not sure. Jeans on a plane isn't a good idea, but they're going to be bulky, so let's see how we get on. These are the M&S carrot cut jeans, and if you've not tried them, you really need to, because they are the most flattering, comfy jeans ever. And then for a fleece, a thick jumper for the mornings or fireworks, I'm going to take my Disney Paris fleece, which I got on our last visit, and it's just so cozy. It has Minnie on the back. I will be wearing this on the plane because it definitely won't fit in this bag. Okay, so that's not looking too bad. All I've got to add are my leggings, and I also did try on a jacket with the Ursula t-shirt in the outfit clip. So I will probably have to try and fit that Nike jacket in as well. But if I do end up wearing the jeans, then leggings and that jacket will fit, so that shouldn't be a problem. So let's pack that. There we go. We've still got a bit of room to spare, which is great because my underwear packing cube will fit in there, like so. And on the clips you did see that I did try on 2 different pairs of trainers. So if these fit, I will also take them. If not, I would just wear the one. I know it seems silly taking another pair of shoes for 3 days, but I just really liked these are new and I really liked how they looked with them jeans for photos. I'm gonna be a little bit vain. So if they fit, then I'll take a photo, probably in front of the castle wearing those. And then let's do liquids. I also forgot, last time we went to the parks, it was raining every single day in September. So we bought ponchos, which we'll be taking back. And I much prefer wearing a poncho to a pack-a-mac because it's so much more roomy. I will definitely be adding this to the bag. You can take up to 100 ml in a clear plastic bag. So for my face, I'm taking the Travel Lizzo Cleanse and Polish and Skin Tonic. I'll take my foundation, which is the Revolution foundation. Just the mini Real Techniques foundation brush. My P. Louise bronzer. The Lancome travel perfume, it's Diddy. And for cheeks and lips, I will take the Benefit tint. Lancome travel mascara, but it's all rubbed off now, but it's the smallest one I've got. Black eyeliner and the Revolution Super Highlight and an eyebrow pencil. I think that's all the makeup that I'm taking, so let's see if we can all get it into this clear bag. I know that it doesn't all have to go in here, but it would be easier if it did. I'll also take a muslin cloth for the face wash. And that is everything in the bag ready to go. I need to buy a travel size deodorant as well, so I can add that in. And in Hitesh's bag we will take the mini soaps and shower gels. Hairbrush. My hair straightener. I'm not taking my vlogging camera this time, I'm just taking my phone, so I will probably end up just taking my tripod. I can clip and squidge it. It's my backpack that I hope will fit in the hold luggage. I will measure it all again. If not, the trainers will be coming out. It should be 45 centimeters long, which is that, so that should be fine. And then it's 36 across, which should be that, so that's 36, so that should be okay. Might need squidging. And then it should be 20 centimeters width, which is that. So it might need squidging in, but I'm hoping it's okay. I'm pretty sure that's going to be fine. It's not even heavy either. It's a really comfortable backpack. And it's got a chest strap as well for when you're in the park. So that was my pack with me video for Disneyland Paris. I hope you got some tips. It wasn't that long because obviously we're only going for 3 days and there's only so much we can fit. I don't think I've missed anything off. Let me know if I have missed something like crucially important. I'm not going to take a big coat or anything. I'm just taking, the warmest thing I'm taking is my fleece and jumpers, which hopefully I don't regret, because my coat is massive and I don't want to wear a fleece and a coat on the plane. And our plan is, as soon as we get there, to go straight to the parks. We will be putting backpacks in the lockers when we get there. But like this video if you liked it. I can leave a link to the backpack in the description box in case you want to check it out. Like I said, we are annual pass holders now, so if you've got any questions regarding that, let me know. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already. I will be doing some short POV videos, on-ride videos, some shorts, and just a bit of casual vlogging when I'm there. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!